This vegan Fideo soup is a budget-friendly, easy-to-make soup that's made with just a few simple ingredients yet delivers a rich, brothy base, tender noodles, and great flavor. Start by blending tomatoes, onion, garlic, and salt. Blend until smooth, creating the base for the soup. Strain the mixture using a cheesecloth or strainer to remove seeds and skins. This step is optional, but it creates a smoother soup. Next, in a large pot, heat oil over medium heat and toast the Fideo noodles. Stir frequently so they don't burn. This toasting step adds a rich, nutty flavor to the soup. Once the noodles are golden, pour in the strained mixture. Let it cook for a few minutes, allowing the flavors to deepen. Add vegetable broth to the pot. Stir well and bring the soup to a gentle boil. Then lower the heat and simmer for a few minutes until the noodles are tender. Once the Fideos are perfectly cooked, taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. Garnish with fresh cilantro for a pop of color and flavor. Serve the soup hot with lime wedges for a zesty finish. It's the perfect cozy meal for any day. Get the full recipe and tips at nutsandtwigs.com.